In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make text on PowerPoint Curve. Whether you're looking to add a creative touch to your presentations or want to make your slides stand out, curving text in PowerPoint is a fantastic way to achieve that. It's simpler than you might think, and in just about 5 minutes I'll guide you through every step to get your text bending and twisting exactly how you'd like it. Let's dive right in and start this creative journey. First things first, you'll need to open your Microsoft PowerPoint application. It shouldn't matter which version of PowerPoint you're using, as the process is quite similar across the most recent updates. If you haven't already, go ahead and launch PowerPoint now. Once you've got PowerPoint open, it's time to bring up the file you're wanting to work on. You can do this by navigating through the File menu to open an existing presentation, or by starting a fresh one if you're experimenting or creating something new. Either way, make sure you have your presentation ready and open in front of you. If it's a specific slide you want to work on, navigate to it now. With your presentation open, the magic begins when you decide on which block of text you want to curve. Click on this text to select it. You'll notice that when you do, PowerPoint offers you different formatting options. This is where you can start to mold and shape your text to fit your vision. Now, pay attention to the top of your PowerPoint ribbon. That's the toolbar at the top of your window. You're looking for the shape format option. It might be called format in some versions, and its location can vary slightly depending on your PowerPoint version, but it generally sits among the top options. Once you find it, give it a click. Under shape format, you'll find several options to adjust the appearance of your selected text or objects. Look for the text effects button. It might show a little A with a star next to it, or it may just be labeled as such. Clicking this will open a world of possibilities for text styling, but for now we're focusing solely on bending your text into a curve. After clicking Text Effects, navigate down to the Transform option. This is where the real fun begins. Under Transform, you'll see a variety of ways to manipulate your text. Each icon represents a different type of text transformation. You've got arcs, circles, waves, and more. But since our goal is to curve the text upward, look for the option labelled Curved Up. It's usually depicted by a simple arc with an arrow pointing upwards. Now click on it and watch as your text reshapes into a gentle upward curve. And just like that, you've successfully curved your text in PowerPoint. It might look perfect right away, or you might want to tinker with it a bit. Feel free to adjust the size of your text box or the font size to change how dramatic the curve is. Sometimes larger text or expanding the text box can make your curve more subtle, while smaller text or shrinking the box makes it more pronounced. Remember, this feature isn't limited to just making your text curve upward. Play around with the other transform options to create unique and engaging presentations. Spirals, waves, or even a full circle can add a dynamic element to your slides. The key here is to not be afraid of experimenting. PowerPoint is quite forgiving. You can always undo or readjust settings until you find the perfect look. And there you have it. You now know how to curve text in PowerPoint, adding a stylish twist to your presentations. This tool can truly elevate the look of your slides, making information pop or highlighting key points in a visually appealing way. Whether for business, education, or personal projects, curving text is a simple trick that can make a big impact. Don't forget to save your work once you're happy with how your curved text looks. PowerPoint allows for endless creativity, and now curving text is another technique in your toolkit. Play around with it, see what works best for your presentation style, and most importantly, have fun with it. Thanks for joining me in today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your PowerPoint presentations. Until next time, keep creating and innovating.